Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken roast in the oven. Start with the chicken at room temperature. Pat it completely dry to ensure that beautiful, crispy skin everyone loves. Don't be shy with the seasoning. A good rub of salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, both inside and out, makes all the difference. While you're doing that, get your oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial high heat is key for a perfect roast. Once seasoned, place your chicken on a rack in a roasting pan, perhaps with some chopped vegetables underneath to catch the delicious drippings. Start roasting at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes to get that initial crisp. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the remainder of the cooking time. Remember to baste occasionally with the pan juices to keep it moist and flavorful. The most important step is ensuring your chicken is cooked through. Use a meat thermometer and aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh, avoiding the bone. Once it reaches that temperature, remove it from the oven. Resist the urge to carve immediately. Resting the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful bird. After resting, it's time to carve your perfectly roasted chicken. Start by separating the legs and thighs, then slice the breast meat. Arrange it beautifully on a platter with your roasted vegetables and a drizzle of those incredible pan drippings. It's a truly satisfying meal. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're seriously comfortable and built to last, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.